Hello everyone. Today I'll be sharing with you this very yummy healthy oat banana biscuits recipe that you can substitute all the high calorie snacks and have this very healthy low calorie and will help you maintain a healthy body size. Yeah. So in order to come up with this recipe, this oat biscuit, the first thing you need of course is oats. So what I want to achieve here is oat flour. So you want to blend the flour but don't have it too smooth. So put it in your blender, just blend, but don't have it too smooth like how the regular flour is so smooth. So it should be kind of a little bit rough. Yeah. So just blend until it is not really smooth, like this consistency, almost like not really smooth, still kind of crunchy. That is how you know it is okay. So you can transfer it in your cup. What we need is 2 cups. So this is my measuring cup and we need 2 cups of this, 2 cups of blended oat, which is oat flour. Yeah. So the next thing you want to do is to get your bowl and start mixing the ingredients for the biscuit. And I'll be using 2 bananas. So you get your 2 bananas, put in your pan, mash. If you don't have time to mash, you can actually just blend. So if you are not patient, you can just blend. This brings in some yumminess to your biscuits, bring in that beautiful banana flavor, and it tastes so yummy. Plus bananas are healthy options for you to eat rather than all those sugary over the counter snacks. Yeah. So mix your banana so well until you get this smooth consistency. That is, no, you, it's okay. 2 bananas, and the next thing I'll be adding will be 2 eggs. Yeah. So I'll be adding 2 eggs in here. So yummy. Get your 2 eggs, break and add in the bowl, then kind of whisk or mix a little bit. Then we can go ahead to add the next ingredient. So just follow the steps anyway, a little bit, no too much talking. So this is 1/4 cup of coconut oil or olive oil. You can use coconut oil or olive oil, and this is some honey for sweetness. So if you don't have honey, you can use stevia. We don't want to use white sugar here. So I'll be adding a teaspoon of vanilla for flavor and taste as well. So a teaspoon of vanilla, you just mix a little bit, mix, and now I'll be adding a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of salt. I'll be adding some nutmeg or cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then after you add, that is when you add your oat in this wet mixture and mix till you get a very smooth consistency. As you can see, the oat flour is coarse. It is not really smooth, like, let me put it that way. It is coarse. That way it gives that hold to your biscuit. You don't want it to blend too smooth, so blend it coarse. Yeah. So this is some coconut flakes I got, so just to bring in some flavor more, like that fun to your biscuit. It tastes so yummy. So this is coconut flakes. That is optional. If you don't have it, that is fine, but it makes this biscuit heavenly. Like the store-bought biscuit you buy, this makes the coconut flakes takes it to the next level. You know, coconut has that beautiful flavor. So this is my baking sheet. I'll just use a spoon and scoop out the biscuits, like, just so they have the same kind of measurement. So that is my a quarter cup, yeah, a quarter cup that I'm using. Just get a quarter cup, just use it to scoop, like your measurement, or whatever spoon you're using should be so your biscuits have the same measurement. So this is what you just basically need to do. Put it on the pan before you smooth it out. So this is what I do. I just use my hand and kind of like shape it all well. You know, you can use a spoon or whatever, but my hand, I can just do it this way with that plastic in my hand. So whoever is eating should not be bothered of my hands there. What? Yeah. So this is my spoon. I just kind of make them to beautiful shapes, and yeah. So basically this is it. The next thing you want to do before doing this, I heat my oven to 350. So my oven is already heated to 350. What you want to do now is to put in your biscuits in the oven, and you bake for 25 minutes, 20-25 minutes. Always come back to check, but it should take you 20 to 25 minutes depending on the heat of your oven. By 20 minutes, come back and check. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20-25 minutes, and after 25 minutes you're good. So these are my biscuits, brown and looking so yummy in my oven. The next thing you want to do is take them out when they cool down. Look at the color, so yummy, and they taste so good. Like all the ingredients in there just put together make this so yummy in the mouth and so beautiful. A very healthy alternative. If you want to live a very healthy life, this is a very yummy and healthy alternative for snacking, or you can have it with your tea, whatever, like breakfast or for snacks. Like this is a very healthy biscuit. You want to go for less calories and healthy. Look at the consistency, so yummy. You can spot the coconut flakes in there. It makes this, like if you taste this, you will make it all the time. You will love it. It is so yummy, and just a slice of, just one of the biscuits keep you so filled up. Like when you feel like you're hungry, that fake hunger, you just get a slice, one of these biscuit, eat, and you feel so relieved and without putting in bad calories in your system. Like this is how I take care of myself to maintain a healthy body size. I mind what I eat. I go for stuffs with less calorie, healthy options, healthy snacks like these, because just eating the wrong kinds of snacks can make you gain a lot of weight, even more than food. So be careful with the kinds of snacks you eat. Go for these kinds of snacks instead, and trust me, you will always maintain that healthy body size, free of belly fat and weight gain, because you are putting less calories in your system without building up a lot of calories, causing belly fat and weight gain, and you always have a beautiful body size. Not just for a beautiful body size, even preventing obesity, because obesity is what leads to so many health complications, health issues like high blood pressure, diabetes. That is due to obesity. So sometimes you're going for healthy alternative, not because you just want to have that beautiful body size. You want to stay away from diseases, sicknesses stemming up from obesity or high calorie meals we eat. So this is the recipe I wanted to share with you today. Try the recipe and share this video with your family and friends. Trust me, your health is wealth. When you get so bad into some certain kinds of sicknesses, you can never reverse that situation again. So prevention is better than cure. Start preventing now by eating healthy, making the right choices, going for healthy alternatives, and trust me, you will love your body size, you will love your health, as you will always be so healthy, free of sicknesses, yeah, due stemming up from obesity and maybe high calorie food. So thank you for your time. Share this video.